ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to an interesting episode of Professional Biography program. Today, I have with me a self-motivated leader with 33 plus years of experience in freight forwarding and logistics. He has extensive knowledge across air freight operations, shipping, chartering, and special transport. Currently general manager at Maltrans Emirates LLC, he is adept at managing large teams, business development, and strategic planning. With his interpersonal skills and industry expertise, he has grown the company's global network and market share. He demonstrates a passion for the field through his engagement with NAFL, including serving as board of member and vice president. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me to welcome Mr. Ahmad Abdulrazeq to the program. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So, to start with, can you please take me through the journey of your early life, your parents, college, school?
Okay. My name is Ahmad Abdulrazeq. I'm 59 years old, Jordanian, married with 4 kids. I have completed my high school in Jordan in 1982.
Okay.
I'm holding a diploma in computer science and system analysis from Arab Community College in Jordan, and that was in 1985.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You want me to continue for this or?
Yes, sir. Can you tell us about how were you like when you were in college or perhaps in school, what your parents were like, and what were your interests at school, perhaps?
Okay. I came from background, small town in Jordan.
Okay.
My father was a farmer.
Uh-huh.
So we have a school, the town school. It was very basic at that time. You know how it was at that time. And yes, it was a little bit difficult. Even the electricity at that time is a little bit problem, but we could manage. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. So you were always interested in this logistic fields, or you somehow came across this field and accidentally came to this field?
Well, yes. In fact, it is with the coincidence. I came to the logistic when I came to the UAE in 1985.
Okay.
It was a job available for me, and accidentally I joined the company. And later on, yes, I like it and I enjoy the logistic and the freight forwarding business.
Okay. So what was your ambition to become when you were a kid?
Well, when you are kids, there will be a lot of things in your mind. Yes, I was thinking to become a doctor or an engineer or
Okay.
something like this, a doctor or an engineer or
Uh-huh.
something like this. But fortunately, I entered to this field.
Okay. So what was your first job like? How did you know? How did you carry a transition from there?
Well, I started my career here in UAE, so I work as an accountant
Oh,
in a small company, and that was for a short period.
uh-huh.
Then after that, I came to my current company since 1989.
Oh, that's a long time now. So
Yes.
can you tell us more about your company, what your current role is, and your responsibilities that you handle?
Okay, Maltrans Emirates was established in 1979 as a daughter company of a bigger group called Al Ghaith Groups of Company.
Okay.
Maltrans, since that time, become the leading of the freight forwarding in UAE. Maltrans, with the 40 years old, is one of the leading shipping and logistic company in UAE. Maltrans also provide all expert solutions in freight forwarding, container trading, projects, fine arts, custom clearance, and all related formalities. Maltrans have been a member of the major network globally, and we are also associated with FIATA and IATA. This is a
Oh,
brief of the company.
okay. So what about your role? What all
Yes.
do you what responsibilities you handle?
Yeah. Okay. I started in the company and in the sales department,
Okay.
and moving to the air freight, uh, to the sea freight, to the logistic project shipments. So I moved with this long journey in the company in all the departments of the company.
Okay.
Currently, I am the general manager of the company. My responsibility is overall in charge, managing the work, running the company, creating business plan to achieve the strategic goals of the company.
Okay.
I'm also representing the company and attending the events related to the business.
Okay. Okay. That's cool, sir. So, can you tell me what attracted you into logistics and freight forward, and what keeps you motivated to continue in this industry for such a long time?
Well, as I said, working in the logistic is yes, something is definitely interested.
Uh-huh.
And as I said, with the coincidence I came, but later on I found out that it is an enjoyable work. I enjoy working with the company because of it's give you the chance to make relationship with more people. Um, uh, it's also give you the chance to interact with many people all over the world,
Mhm.
globally, meet people all here and there. So
Okay.
this is what is really, yeah, let me continue in this field.
Okay, that is great to know, sir. So, since you have an extensive experience in this industry, you must have faced many challenges on the way. So, if you can think of any particular incident where you had to think on your toes and accomplish, and particularly after having faced that particular challenge, you came out very successful. Any
That's
such
true.
kind of
Yes, of
example?
course, a lot of challenges was there. But for me, consider an old style. Uh, the main challenges which I face is moving from manual to digital.
Okay.
We start working even without phone, without internet, without anything. I do remember when I was joining the company, we have only a telex machine at that time.
Okay.
And then later on, we used to work with the current. So this was the big challenge which I faced. And good, yani I could make it by doing make training, more learning. So I could come over from this. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool, sir. So, what are the emerging innovations that seem to be most promising for you in the logistics sector?
Well, yes, of course, I'm excited about working in this, and definitely the logistic business is developed all over the years,
Mhm.
and yes, I'm excited to continue till the end in this field. Yeah, yeah.
So, any particular technology that you're very excited about since everything is becoming automated? We have drone technology, AI coming in into the logistic industry. Any particular technology that you feel that will advance this particular industry further?
Okay, yes, I understand now. The digitalization is one
Yes.
of the things which is definitely going to be artificial intelligence also is one of the things, the robotic process also, which is come in the picture. So all these are new technologies has come in the pictures. Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
uh, So, what has been the biggest lesson that you have learned from your 33 plus years of experience?
Yes, what I have learned that in this long journey there will be for sure a lot of things, but I learned also life does not give you the lemon to make lemonade. You have to pick it by yourself. This is one of
Yes.
the things. I do remember, I do also learn that, remember always to see the bigger picture and also to expect the worst and to be ready for the solutions.
Oh, that third one is very interesting to be ready for the worst.
This is in a brief, of course. There was a lot of things. In 33 years of this journey, there will be a lot of things to learn. Yeah,
Exactly, exactly. There will be many ups and downs that you must have faced in your journey.
true. Yeah.
How do you manage stress and work-life balance when you have such a high demanding career?
Yes, okay. As you know, the logistic, the freight forwarding is one of the fields which is always put you under stress. That's true. I do manage this, by doing a very simple things. Relaxation is one of the things which I really used to do. Stepping into nature. If I have something, so stepping into nature can make a big difference. even it is for a few minutes.
Okay.
Uh, One more thing is also alternate between sitting and standing. So that also sometimes, give a difference.
Okay.
And also develop the system, support system with the friends and family.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, as you know that COVID-19 was a very big challenge for everyone. In fact, the whole maritime industry as such. So, how did you mitigate that particular challenge in your company, and what steps did you take to, make sure that all your staff are safe during that time?
Yes, the COVID-19 was really a big challenge also for all of us. So there was unfortunately nothing much, can be done for myself here. We did something about, controlling the cost in that period. So that was the main thing which we could do to maintain the things going on as it is and to come out of this pandemic.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
If you could look back, what advice would you like to give your younger self if you could start over once again?
Okay, yeah, okay. There is a lot of things which is I think it can be done. I can say that first of all, I advise myself to make plan and write them in a pencil. This is
Okay.
number one. Also to invest in friendship and making new friends all the time. Never say no to the opportunities and know when to leave. This is one of the things which is also I learned.
Uh-huh.
Everything makes sense someday. Don't ignore the things, even if it is not important at its time. And also, I learned to laugh at the mistakes and keep going.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so sweet. Yeah, the last one I love the most. Learn to laugh at your own mistakes because the most
Yes.
people don't do that. They don't do
Okay.
that. And they always keep regretting why did we make that mistake. But uh, no one is really into learning from those mistakes and perhaps laugh
Yes.
on it
Yes.
and
Yeah.
take it
Well,
easy.
which I mean to laugh at the mistake because it could be a small mistakes can be rectified, but because of the less experience, you will not be able to do. So that's why I said laugh at the mistakes. Okay, to learn from the mistakes, that is also definitely is correct. Yeah.
Exactly, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, coming to a final question, your advice to the young professionals who are starting out in the logistics industry.
Okay, yes, I can advise them to work towards their dreams, even if they don't know what is the dream at that time. And also to go out of the way to help people achieving their dreams need because and one day they will need their help.
Yes.
One more thing is that don't let the negativity stop your growth. This is something is very important. And be yourself and make your brand. That is something also is good. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for those lovely piece of advices. Every professional who will be watching this video will be inspired. So thank you so much,
I
sir,
hope
for
so. I hope so.
yes, they will be. So, sir,
Anyway,
thank you
after
so
you
much.
do the changes, so it might, but you know that sometimes always, even with this age, after this long also experience, when you feel that you are under interview, you still, feel nervous. So that is also something is,
So it was just a casual chat. You don't have to feel very nervous about it.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it was lovely interacting with you, sir. Thank you so much for spending your time
I
with me.
thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. Yeah.